Hello everybody, welcome to Maths Cook House, where I share easy to cook recipes. This week I'll be sharing the recipe for the nut-free version of the immensely popular Methi Matar Malai, fenugreek leaves and green peas in a subtly flavored cream-based gravy. To begin, take 2 cups of fenugreek leaves, methi. Clean, chop, wash and keep aside. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add 1 medium onion chopped and saute. Once it begins to change color, add 2 to 3 chopped green chilies and 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. Cook for a minute. Do not brown. Remove and keep aside. Allow it to cool. Add in half a cup curd and blend it into a smooth paste. Add in 2 teaspoons of corn flour and mix well. My kitchen is a nut-free kitchen. Since we are not using cashew paste, this will ensure that the gravy does not curdle. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in the same pan. Add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds jeera and allow them to crackle. Add in the chopped fenugreek leaves and saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Add in the blended masala and mix well. Next, add in a cup of pre-boiled green peas along with salt to taste. Mix, saute for a few minutes until the oil begins to appear on the sides. Finally, add in half a cup cream and half teaspoon garam masala powder. Keeping the flame on low, cook some more. Make sure you do not boil the gravy after adding the cream or it might curdle. Check the salt and add more if required. The nut-free Methi Matar Malai is ready to serve. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves and garam masala powder. For more such recipes, follow me at Maths Cook House and be sure to like, share and subscribe.